In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make echo audio in Soundtrap. We'll walk through a simple way to add that spacious, echo-like sound to your track using the tools built right into Soundtrap, and I'll share a few tips to help it sit nicely in your mix. Start by opening the Soundtrap Music Maker site in your browser. If you aren't already signed in, click Log In. For this walkthrough, I'll choose Log In with Google and pick my Google account. Once you're authenticated, you'll land on your Soundtrap home area. From here, click Studio to open the editor where you can work on your project. Inside the studio, click the track you want to edit. This is the track that will get the echo effect, so make sure you're selecting the right one, whether it's a vocal, guitar, or any other audio. With the track selected, right-click to bring up the contextual options, then choose Effects. This opens the Effects panel, which is where you'll add and manage the sound processing for the track. In the Effects panel, use the search to find reverb. In Soundtrap, reverb is the quickest way to create an echo-like ambience because it simulates reflections in real spaces, from small rooms to large halls. Click Reverb to add it to your track's effects chain. Now you'll see a control that lets you adjust the percentage. Think of this as how much of the reverberated or wet signal you're blending with your original dry sound. Start low and play your track while you slowly increase the percentage. Around 10 to 20% often adds a subtle sense of space without overpowering the source. If you're going for a more obvious echo vibe, push it higher, but be mindful that too much reverb can make the sound feel distant or muddy. The goal is to enhance clarity while adding depth. If you want a quick musical starting point, you can also select a preset. Open the preset list and choose something like Hallway. This preset typically has a longer tail and a roomy character, which reads as a clear, echo-like ambience. After selecting Hallway, fine-tune the percentage again while the track plays so it complements your arrangement. As you listen, focus on how the tail of the reverb trails after phrases and how it interacts with other elements. Small adjustments often make the biggest difference. When it feels right, you're done. Soundtrap saves your work as you go, so you can keep creating without interruption. That's how to make echo audio in Soundtrap using the reverb effect.